Check out the starters for the UE Lady Warriors. You have Balingit, Famulagan, Ecalia, Bangayan, Nogales, Cepada, and Reyes. Kian Olango, Nika Celis, Joan Monares, Sarah Haboneta, Nina Itang, Jazz Bangilimotan, and covering this match with our correspondents Althea Franco and Jessica Ramos reporting for UE and UP respectively. Paneng, as we mentioned, the first day, both teams eager to make a good impression to our audience. She is now part, and she is a starter immediately for Coach Allen.
And also, she was the top scorer for their squad no season 85. So, very promising player yan si Van Bangayan.
Oh, good save there.
Oh,
and nobody home on that attack from KC Balingit.
That was a good soft hit. Talagang nagtinginan na lang yung defense itong UP Fighting Maroons. But
Jazz sets up the play to Haboneta.
Good coverage.
Covered by Jazz herself. Olango. Dug up. Cepada. Dug up as well by Monares. Ecalia goes to Nogales for that quick tip. Haboneta serving 15-6. Ecalia sets up Cepada. A clean hit.
I think
Monares. Dive there by Balingit. Keeps the ball alive. Attack is saved by UP. Monares down the line.
good defense.
That was Bangayan with a save.
Oh!
And Cepada powers it against a solo blocker in Monares.
So the Lady Warriors needs to tighten up their coverage.
Capistrano unable to get that. To put UE at the double-digit mark. Celis.
Oh, good defense.
Reyes able to get the second touch. Back with UP. They go now to Monares. Popped up by Ecalia. Easy over. Jazz goes back to John.
Oh.
High up, saved. Ecalia wanted to get there. And it's another free ball for UP. Combination, but sent back by Famulagan.
That was good serve.
10-point game. As Bangayan able to break the blockers. Balingit, captain for UE, serving. Mangilimotan goes to Itang. That clipped the net, but goes down nonetheless.
With the help of the net pass, scoring that quick hit. Imagine kung hindi yun sumama sa net, kung gaano kabilis.
It'll be Julia De Leon serving. Almost an ace, but picked up. Chance for UP to close this one out. They go middle. Angge Reyes with a dig. Bangayan trying to keep them alive in this set. And she does so.
And it's Van Bangayan serving.
Down
good
by
serve.
10, but it's an ace.
Yeah. Short
Ceramides. Face the game with a healthy, hydrated skin. Cetaphil for everyone's sensitive skin. Haboneta was blocked.
That's a block.
That was a double block from Ecalia and Nogales.
Gone on a 4-0 run.
That's a good sign for the UE squad. So alam nilang kaya nila, but naging late nga lang sila na parang late uminit.
So make that 5 straight points now for the Lady Warriors. De Leon sets up the play to Haboneta, and finally, that elusive last point. Mangilimotan at the helm of that setting position.
Yes, parang comfortable naman yung mga spikers sa set na binibitawan itong either setters ng UP.
And she's back. We see the first appearance of Cassie Deering. The one and done for the Fighting Maroons. And Olango and Mangilimotan forgot about the ball. The start of this set number 2, and UP trying to pull away again. Ecalia goes to Balingit. As we go to Althea Franco for this. Jazz goes to Cassie. And Deering gets her first point here.
In the blocker.
One of the more noticeable recruits and additions for UP. He asked for it again. They tried to go to Monares. deadlock once again. Mangilumotan sets up Monares. She's been reliable in this game.
Whenever their attackers go for that hit.
Which is why the game is much closer right now. Ooh, Nogales and Reyes going after it. Noceja.
Oh, still alive.
Oh, great effort coming from Kai Cepada. Jazz goes middle to Deering.
Cassie Deering.
And she serves for UP. Go back to Bangayan. Saved by Monares. Here comes the attack from Olango. Bangayan able to chase. Hangge with a free ball. Jazz back to Kian. But Olango gets that one. Serving for UP. 17. It looks to Zamudio.
Oh,
And off the bench.
yes.
Still leads all UP scorers with 7 points. Serving. Set up. Back row. Zamudio. Deering was there for the second ball. Bangayan to Zamudio. Picked up by Joanne. Deering.
Oh, good defense, Cepada.
Dug up by Kai Cepada. Play continues. Jazz back sets to Olango. Trying to place it. Mas tutok ngayong set, no? Because
Yeah.
kita natin yung set 1, medyo malaking agwat.
Ang laki ng agwat nung start, but kahit nung huli, nakakahabol yung UE, but malaki pa rin yung gap on the score. But a quick side out here. Good first ball.
They go to Cepada. Easily picked up by Monares. Noceja saved by Zamudio. Kai again. Straight to Yesha. They go middle to Bansil for her first point in the game.
And she scored that point.
Bangayan.
Oh.
Van.
There have been 7 deadlocks and 3 lead changes here in set 2. There were none in set 1. That's how different it has been for UE. Oh, and it goes through
Yeah.
for Bangayan.
Back-to-back points from...
Rookies back last season with Madriaga, Fernandez, and Nogales. Shows no sign of letting up. They are tied now at 22 all.
A good first ball.
Olango saved by Reyes. It's back with a side of UP. Oh, Reyes, another good defensive stop.
Oh,
Almost a point. Olango will try again.
what an angle and target. And Kabasag.
Yeah.
Kabasak, rather.
They also had an appearance in the first set.
A double substitution, I think, for more blockers in front. But Kai Cepada being one of the veteran hitters from UE, targeting down the line.
Stretch here. A virtual race to 2. 23 all. De Leon sets up the play. And she connects with Bansil.
Nabeat.
Yesha Noceja will be the one to serve for UP.
Good
That's
first ball.
Good first ball indeed. Cepada kept alive. Capistrano will give up a free ball. Reyes gets to it. Ecalia sets up Kai.
Oh,
Flying high and tying this game up at 24 all.
what a combination play for the UE Lady Warriors. Take a look at that. Oh,
Ooh, good serve.
this is
a-
tight.
Yep. So tight, it's outside, did not go through the antennas.
Labas.
Underway here on One Sports on the UAP Varsity Channel and on Pilipinas Live. Dip Bianco together with Paneng, the Koenig Swarter. Thanking you all for joining us on opening day weekend of this volleyball season 87. And Olango picks up from where she left off.
Open hitter ng UP, waiting for a short ball.
Monares. That's another
In
point.
the Philippines or abroad on the Pilipinas Live app. Download and subscribe now. Now back to you, Dip and Paneng.
Thank you, Cheska, for that report. Well, Nina Itang as Olango breaks the block. Haboneta serving.
Good save.
Chance for UP. De Leon goes to Itang.
There, better connection.
Back to a 3-point game.
Good serve.
Reyes couldn't get to it. And another ace. Oh, balingit.
Again, Itang, we did mention she was the second best middle blocker during
Aboneta has 7 points in this game. Serving for UP. Ecalia goes to Cepada. Capistrano able to get there on time. Monares. Oh!
What happened there? That was easy ball from Monares. At nagkatinginan na lang ng UE Lady Warriors. That was supposed to be a free ball. And that... Minsan nakakalimutan na din ng mga attackers na kailangan muna nilang kumuha ng first ball bago pumesto for the approach.
Oh, Nogales rejects that one. Could spark some life out of this UE squad. Well, she will have to work from the back serving. It's a good one. Nogales picks it up. Over-received. Regalo. Mangilimutan sets up Monares. Touch from Balingit. Pangayan.
Good defense.
Onting Buelo doon. To the other side. Return to center, but Monares picks it up. Kabasak. With the easy over. Balingit. Oh, and she breaks the block.
That was UP squad. Kaya napatawag din ng timeout si Coach Bokbok to remind his players to relax and focus on this game.
Here comes the play. They go again to their top scorer in Cepada. Jazz goes back to Monares. Nogales has been playing good defense there.
Oh!
At the back, they get out of the way. Play continues. Kabasak. Oh, Nogales getting those first balls. And Cepada able to score, rewarding in this game. So a bit of shuffling this time for Coach Benson. They go to the running Celis. It's out.
Nung first set, mabagal nga. But second set, nakakahabol na sila. Sobrang dikit tayo ng second set. And again, here in the third set.
Yeah, they're able to keep up. Better set to Balingit, covered by Reyes. Cepada.
Oh!
Bumuelo ng onte. Changing pace and able to drop it home to cut the lead down to a single point.
Nag-aabang ng malakas na...
Service in. De Leon back sets to Olango. Set back by Casey Balingit. For the first time.
For the first time, she will do the service for their squad.
In this game. Second playing year. Has to do that. Able to save it. UP does the same. Isulan bumps it to the rookie.
Oh!
Kian Olango goes down the line. And girls MVP Kian Olango putting them up by 1. Bansil with an important serve. Ecalia back sets to Bangayan. Able to extend it once again.
So we'll have an extended third set. Just like the second set, but take a look at that.
And
the pressure is on the side of UP.
Ooh, over-received.
Oh, good save.
At Nogales couldn't take advantage. Balingit picked it up. Cepada will attack. De Leon with a save. Oh, tense moments. Right here. Easy over. De Leon. Back sets to Olango and short. And UE stays alive in this game. And they will have to be pleased with that performance as we welcome you all to set number 4 here on One Sports on the UAP Varsity Channel and on Pilipinas Live.
So far, first day of volleyball, lahat ng mga match extended.
Right. 5 sets, 4 sets in the men's. Let's see how this one goes. Kian Olango. Cassie
Yeah, I think so. Humabol na lang siya sa block na yon, but nakuha pa niya yung cross-court angle.
Another chance here for UP. Capistrano setting up the play to Olango. Yesha. Goes to the other side. Monares popped up by Reyes. Bangayan. Kian had to kneel. Joan saved by Ecalia. UE have been on the receiving end of these attacks. Olango finally gets that one in that huddle, reminding the ladies that it's all our errors that's hurting us.
Actually, that's good to hear coming from the players mismo na alam nila yung nangyayari. And that was a good timeout from Coach Bokbok para lang ma-relax yung squad niya. And the essential ceramides face the game with a healthy, hydrated skin. Cetaphil for everyone's sensitive skin.
But we are enjoying all the aces,
yes.
Diba? Dahil dyan sa volleyball action. And right now, UE is up. They're up by 5 points. Nogales. Reyes. Nogales for a power tip.
Ang laki ng lamang na ng UE. This is the first time.
3 lead changes. Set 3. Only 2 deadlocks and 1 lead change, which was at the latter part of that set nung nakuha yun ng UE. Right now, UE, sabi niya, it wasn't the set, it was me. She acknowledges that one. Binigyan ulit.
Yeah, bumawi naman.
Serve there. Itang. Nogales rejects that one. Return to sender.
Grabe yung block na yun ng Nogales. Talagang binantayan niya yung attack ni Itang. Take a look at that.
The defensive block is... Haboneta. Nogales has been playing excellent defense. Free ball for UE. Cepada. Why not? She has been the goal. She heads to the service line. Rookie out of Perpetual. Denise Lauchenko.
Yeah, clearly that was a double.
To try and make a comeback. Another good serve. Reyes will bump it to Cepada. That doesn't go over. Cepada wants a challenge.
Oh, good save.
But if they can do it, maybe UP can. We'll see if they'll be able to make a run here. Monares. Oh, look at Cepada go. Not just on offense, but also on defense. But Jazz Mangilimutan gets the 1-2 here in set 4. Jazz ups it. Then Monares makes sure of that one. What a huge 9-point advantage. Cañete with a serve, with a pickup, just like in the previous set. Baling it with the offhand.
Oh.
And everything going right. The right mix. Meanwhile, Coach Allen has found the players to work with. Monares covered by Capistrano. Play continues.
Good chase.
Bangayan. Olango with a set. Then Monares with a cross-court kill. Going on through the mind right now of Coach Benson Bokbok. He was on pace. They were on pace to win in straight sets. But tables have turned in a chance for the Lady Warriors. Van Bangayan with a finisher. And we are going to a 5th and final set.
Grabe, what a run by UE.
And also to the viewers on Pilipinas Live. They are treated to this.
Journey took an unexpected turn when she transitioned from a spiker to a libero. She shared with me, at first, I was sad I wouldn't be able to spike anymore. But after that, all she wanted to do was become a libero. And now in her 2nd year as UP's libero, she's found a...
Mangilimutan goes to Haboneta.
Coach Allen said one of the things that he focused most on is the communication of the team. He shared with me that during timeouts, hindi lang ako ang magsasalita. Pinapabayaan ko sila mag-voice out. Coach Allen highlights that inside the court, the team will be the one to drive themselves for the win. And with this 5-set, their will be tested. Watch this game on any device in the Philippines or abroad on the Pilipinas Live app. Download and subscribe now. Now back to you, Dipen Paneng.
Thank you, Althea, for that report. Right now, they are down by 4 points. And that joy earlier that we saw.
5 points for this set.
Good serve. Balingit picked up. Here comes Monares.
Oh!
Down it goes for her 17th point.
Advantage for this 5th set. This is a tough one to climb for UE. Lalo na maganda yung pinapakitang laro and body language itong UP, which means
Olango has 4 blocks out of her 15 points. That is not in. The official score 4-9. And a good serve. Olango waits for it. Straight to Reyes. Cepada. Yes! 21 points for Kai Cepada.
but that was three chance ball from the UP side na hindi na convert ng UE.
And the lead is only down to just 3. And they get a check. And they get a save. Bangayan from the back. Jazz on a 1-2.
Cepada was there.
Read by UE. Aboneta points to the outside. Saved by Balingit Cepada. And kept alive. It's playable. Oh! Emphatic attack coming from Kai Cepada.
Ano lang yung puntos na inaalagaan. 2 points na lang ang kailangan habulin ng UE.
And the magic number for them has been the 4-0 run.
That's right.
4 straight points once again for UE. Can they make it 5? Not yet. Oh, and there with a pancake save.
Still alive.
And Bangayan with a reflex. Oh!
Still alive.
Wow. 5 points away from winning their first game in season 87. Cepada is not yet done. The pride.
Siya tumalon and yung taas nung reach niya sa bola, doon niya binabawi. Take a look at that.
O De Leon pops it up. Haboneta waits for it. Chance for the white shirts. Ecalia goes. O Cepada and Famulagan went after that ball. Lauchenko. Yes!
I will agree with her dahil sobrang ganda na ng pinapakita nilang laro nitong 5th set.
Siya ulit! Kai Cepada this time with a drop.
3 frontliners
Yeah.
to focus on the block.
Full front line. The starters are back on the floor in Jazz and Kian. But look at Ecalia. Let me join the...
Pushing that drop ball to the end part of the defense.
This will be the longest 3 points. Race to 3 points for UP. Especially with how UE is defending. The push. They go to Haboneta.
Wow.
Reyes with a save. And back with UP. Olango tries.
Reyes again!
Says Angge Reyes. Haboneta once more.
Reyes
Third
again!
try. And it's still playable.
Chance ball for UE. Can they finish this?
Not yet. UP this time. Haboneta finally. After multiple attempts.
Their attacker angling their open hit with a cross-court shot.
Parang may magnet sa kamay ni Angge Reyes yung bola eh.
Oh!
Oh! Met at the net. Will end it in straight sets, but UE, they've showed how this is far from over. Silent. 2 points, but
Yep.
that one the most important for Celis. Good first ball. Ecalia back sets to Bangayan. Had to use her offhand. Jazz will set up the play. Monares couldn't end it. Ecalia goes to Bangayan. And another chance for the Fighting Maroons. They go middle to Itang. And it's inside.
That's inside that was a